Labyrinth 50 multiple 100. We present a program for creating a labyrinth and finding a way out. The maze has 50 rows and 100 columns. The inner intermediate walls are placed by the program by taking random numbers. Therefore, the labyrinths created by this program are not repeated. The program has a button that allows you to place an additional wall in any box and remove any wall with another button. The need to do so arises when the arrangement of walls completely surrounds the entrance or exit. The program is written in the JavaScript programming language. We have also developed a large version of this maze, 100 rows and 220 columns. Green boxes shows the way out. But in order to see the details of the work of the program, the 50 multiple 100 size version is more convenient. Let's get acquainted with the buttons for running the program. The first button from the left is for clearing the maze. The number from the right of it shows the percentage of intermediate walls compared to the numbers of all cells. That number can be changed. When we take a number smaller than 20, there are so few intermediate walls that there is no need to find a way. When we take the percentage greater than 60, then there are so many intermediate walls that there is no possibility of a road. For these reasons, the cases when the percentage of walls is taken in the range of 20 to 60 are more interesting. The blue button creates intermediate walls by picking random numbers, and we can be sure that the labyrinths are not repeated. Now, let's press the green button so that the program finds a way out. The picture shows that all the entrances from the left are blocked by inside walls. It is necessary to open at least one cell somewhere to find a way. In fact, there are so many walls that there is no way. The program finds that closed area, colors it green, and we see it. And we can decide which wall to eliminate and which way to make through that place. This episode can be recorded as an advantage of the program. Clear this cell and press the Find Way button again. The program found the way and wrote the number of green cells in the green box at the top of the page. That is the minimum amount. This means that the program has found the optimal solution. That is one of the advantages of the program. Now, let's list the advantages of the program. The first one, quite a large number of maze cells, 5,000 in this case, and 22,000 cells in the case of 100 multiple 220. The second one, the program places the walls of the labyrinth according to the principle of random numbers, so the labyrinths do not repeat. The third one, if the walls are arranged in such a way that the entrance or exit is closed, the program detects that closed area, colors it green, and we can see it. The fourth one, we can clean any cell of the edge of that closed space, and the program will find a way through that place. The fifth one, the final way which is found by the program is the optimal, minimal way for that version of the maze.